Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by laying out the core parts: a 9V battery, an active buzzer, a 1K resistor, and 2 probe leads. Connect the resistor to the buzzer positive terminal to limit current, then attach one lead to the other side of the resistor and the second lead to buzzer negative. Make sure battery polarity matches the buzzer markings. Once done, secure connections. Use clips or solder for reliable contact, because intermittent contact will ruin consistency. Now you create robust probes. Crimp or solder metal tips to the clip leads and cover nearby exposed wire with heat shrink or tape to prevent accidental shorts. If you want visual feedback, place an LED in parallel with the buzzer and a current-limiting resistor. That gives both sound and light. Once probes are ready, check the tester on a confirmed short circuit so you verify buzzer sound levels and that wiring is correct, because this step prevents false positives later. Finish by testing real targets. Touch probes across wire ends, switch terminals, and PCB traces. You should hear the buzzer when continuity exists. If nothing sounds, first measure the battery, replace if under voltage, then confirm resistor value and that buzzer polarity is correct. If you get intermittent beeps, tighten connections, reflow solder joints, and inspect probe tips for corrosion. One key troubleshooting tip: always isolate the circuit under test from power to avoid damage and misleading results while you debug.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.